Horrible pressure. Giant water bombs under Naples ready to blow up Campi Flegrei. Campi Flegrei, a large caldera in southern Italy, has experienced fluctuating ground movement for centuries. However, in the early 2000s, the area experienced an extreme vertical rise of over 1.8 meters without any apparent warning, forcing ships to abandon the port of Pozzuoli and prompting the evacuation of nearby residents. Recent scientific studies have revealed that the primary cause of this uplift is not magma movement, but rather the increased pressure of hot water in an underground hydrothermal system. Water trapped deep within acts as a high-pressure fluid, slowly but steadily pushing the overlying rock upward. Researchers discovered a closed hydrothermal reservoir about a mile below the surface. This reservoir is covered by a layer of hardened volcanic ash known as cap rock, which can withstand the enormous pressure within the underground system. This phenomenon of bradysism, the upwelling of the ground surface, triggers a series of small earthquakes that frequently shake the surrounding area. These tremors caused cracks in buildings, damaged roads, and disrupted infrastructure, highlighting the region's sensitive geological system. The Campi Flegrei caldera stretches approximately 8 miles west of Naples and is home to more than 350,000 people. The high population density above an active volcanic system makes this region one of the most geologically hazardous in Europe. In the context of mitigation, scientists have begun proposing engineering approaches to reduce underground fluid pressure. These include controlling rainwater infiltration to prevent it from reaching too deep into the hydrothermal system, as well as real-time pressure monitoring to improve early warning systems. These findings have shifted scientists' perspective on the Campi Flegrei hazard from focusing on magma to emphasizing the dynamics of pressurized water. This suggests that the major threat does not always come from lava, but also from hidden fluid systems that can trigger significant changes in a short time.